If you have a big data of multiple rows and columns, then use the freeze panes tool, which allows you to lock your column or row heading so that when you scroll down to view the rest of your sheet, the first column or the top row remains on the screen. To freeze the top row, just press Alt W FR. This freezes the top row. Now when you scroll, you see the yellow row, which is the heading, remains freezed. So you can scroll and you still get to see the heading. We can unfreeze the row by pressing Alt W FF. This will take off the freeze. Now to freeze the first column, you can press Alt W FC. By doing this, you can see this first column is already freezed. When I move the data, the first column will remain and the rest of the data will move. I can unfreeze this again by pressing Alt W FF. Similarly, if you wish to freeze any particular column, just select the column next to it. Like for example, if I have to freeze this regions column, so I need to select this column and then I can press Alt W FF. This freezes the sheet from the selected column. So now if I navigate, the region remains in its own place. Hope you found this useful. Follow me for more such quick Excel reference.